Just days before we spring forward, winter strikes back, bringing the Twin Cities our snowiest storm in 2 years. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us. That late season winter blast dumped more than a foot of snow on parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin.
And that caused March Madness on our roads. But in this live look at 35E in St. Paul, you can see that many highways are snow-free this evening. Earlier today, the State Patrol counted more than 700 spinouts and crashes like this one across the state. And troopers warned drivers to slow down after one of their own squad cars got rear-ended in St. Paul. The storm also shut down dozens of schools and cut power to thousands of homes, while southern Minnesota rode out a blizzard with the National Guard on standby to help. The small town of Denison near Northfield saw one of the largest snowfall totals with 13 inches. 11 inches piled up in Apple Valley, and River Falls, Wisconsin got more than 10.
Plowing the streets quickly and efficiently always becomes a top priority during major storms like this. WCCO's David Schumann hit the roads around Minneapolis and joins us live with a look at the progress. Hi, David.
Hey, Frank. Higher speed, higher traffic roads like Portland and Park Avenue were looking pretty good earlier this afternoon. It's the side streets in neighborhoods like this that you worry about getting stuck in, and it might take a little bit longer for the plows to get to. Here's a problem you seemingly see everywhere on days like this. But you also see the solution. Strangers stepping up to help each other out.
Thank you. Thank you.
And then that driver returned the favor.
He helped me get out right here. So I'm gonna help him.
Helpful interactions like this played out all over Minneapolis Wednesday.
My name is Tim.
We've got some nice neighbors that have come through and did this part here. So I don't know who it is, but I'd like to catch them one time doing it.
Charles Sawyer's sidewalk may have been clear, but his smaller side street, not so much. He's expecting it plowed by Friday, and he's okay with that. Other neighbors are too. They know how the city operates by now, even if it makes things a bit more inconvenient.
This one gets built up. I'm sure it's pretty annoying, to have your car get snowed in and plowed in. But I would say overall, I think the city's doing fine now.
Some people also felt like with so little snow this winter, we were sort of due for a spring storm.
I was hoping for this snowfall, if I can be honest, and doing all the things that we do to kind of trick the snow into coming back, like putting the snowblower away and putting away my ice skates.
This is Minnesota, and so, it's typical.
Minneapolis has more than 1,000 miles of streets to plow, but you look at the forecast, it's supposed to be real warm later this week. Maybe the sun will get to work on these smallest side streets before the plows get to them.
Yeah, bring on the sun, David. Thanks. Do keep in mind snow emergencies start in both Minneapolis and St. Paul at 9 tonight. Learn where not to park by calling the numbers on your screen or go to WCCO.com.